We're back to the regular place.
Back at the Hamilton Collection's new garage.
So, tell them what you did yesterday.
I sat in a LaFerrari. I sat in a Pagani Huayra. I sat in a McLaren 765LT. And guess what? I fit. And I got out without looking like an idiot.
Where's your sunglasses?
Shut up. I don't know. The LaFerrari ate them. Perfect day to go out in the 765LT.
All right, while Eric's out with Henry doing a ride in the 675 LT, let's take a look at some of the Hamilton's cars that they have. We cannot forget about Steve Shell. This is one of the first cars he bought, and this thing is so nasty, especially when it's running. It is so sick. Ugh.
This one's actually pretty comfortable.
It is. It's really comfortable. This is like my top 3.
Yeah. Not to mention it shoots 6-foot flames. And has very good brakes.
Yes. Could went through that, but
yeah, it's not like this. Every car should feel like that.
always scared of cops right there.
Oh yeah.
They always sit there. They sit there, and then this little spot right here.
And just wait for the Hamilton collection.
We've not got pulled over yet. Surprisingly, now we got pulled over.
Well, that'd be good for the vlog.
It would be, yes.
gas wouldn't last long with me in this car.
No. Yeah, it's funny because of those few poles.
Yeah.
We're under 3/4 right now.
Yeah.
But it says really at 95 miles left. But it's obviously more than that. But it's calculated off of the poles we just hit. These cars get decent gas mileage for what they are. For what they are.
And the size engines?
Yeah. I think they get like 250, 300.
Oh, okay.
Maybe around that. Maybe not, maybe like 200, 250. Probably less than what we do with them. But
What is that coming out?
Okay, safety first. Put your seatbelt on.
Seatbelt.
Now, he wets his pants when he gets excited. So on that back road, be careful.
I might shart, leave a present for Steve.
There he goes. And I get left all alone with a bunch of Steve's cars. Don't worry, Steve, I'll protect him with my life.
Streets of Mexico. Yes, we're gonna go get some tortas after this. Made my butthole pucker.
Are you gonna have enough room to get out?
yeah, she got right now.
Yeah, we're filming this. Does he know how to? Oh, he knows how to open the door.
How to open the door. You want me to do like you? Back behind the little car. Alright, bring it back. Oh my god.
Poles are awesome, aren't they?
Yes.
Awesome. Amazing.
Made my butthole pucker twice. Hello. Loved it.
That was so much fun. I was this close to beating him up and taking the keys from him, because I think I could take him. I could take you, Henry. So, and I'm gonna take you, Tommy, if you don't get back here and see us sometime.
But next time you guys gotta let us actually drive the cars.
Come on,
and
Steve.
film. Come on.
Come on, Steve.
We're old man. I got gray hairs. Come on, let's do it.
Come on now, like we're old. We have like 401ks and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm not driving it to prom.
Yeah,
which
exactly.
You've let them do. I'm not going to prom. I just want to go around the block.
But thank you guys so much for allowing us to get a ride in the car.
Oh, the 765LT is amazing. If you ever get a chance to get in one, do it. Hands down. Awesome.
Till next time, guys, stay humble, hit that like and subscribe button, leave some comments below.